Hello! Okay, I haven't done a video for like ever. I'm gonna do how I cut and style my hair because my hair is in desperate need of a cut. Just because I get a lot of questions about my hair on my cosplay account, on my out of cosplay account, everywhere, so I'm finally making a video.
Okay, so this is the hair we're starting with. We're gonna get it all wet and you're gonna need a brush, a razor, optional though, little hair clips to pin your hair back, of course, scissors, and this is what my hair looks like completely wet before we begin. You wanna brush it out so it's super straight and flat, and then you're gonna section off your bangs like I'm doing here, so that way you can just focus on your bangs. I'm just pinning the back of my hair out of the way so that it's not all in the way. This is what my bangs sectioned off look like, and you're gonna cut in downward motions so that you get like really pointy little ends, and so that your hair is really like the fringe and stuff like that, textured and layered. As you can see here, I'm also doing like kind of little choppy swoosh swoosh motions. I don't know how to explain it. I'm not cutting in one stroke. I'm like opening and closing the scissors very small as I cut down. And then you're just going to do that to your bangs until they're to your liking. And then I take a razor and just run it all over my hair so that there's more layers, there's more texture. I'm not a professional. I cut my hair at like 3 a.m. This is just what I do. I'm not saying this is what you should do, but this is how I do. And then in the back of my hair, I don't like long pieces on top, kind of like a mullet-esque shape, but not really a mullet. So I try to make the hair on top shorter and then go to longer. What I'm doing is I have my scissors like slightly open, and then I'm like dragging it along the hair so that it cuts, but not completely, so that it's like layered. And my hair is just coming off. You just keep going, kind of like how people thin hair. This would probably work better if you had thinning shears. I just put it up in pigtails so that my pigtails are even, because I wear pigtails a lot. And then we're going over with the razor again, and I cut off a lot of hair. It was more than I thought. What my hair looks like after I showered and got rid of all the chopped hair. Looks like a mess. This is it after it dries. You could just leave it like this, but you know, also ignore how bad my dye job is. Again, all of my hair stuff I do at like 1 a.m. But this is how I style my hair scene. You need a flat iron. You gotta brush your hair out. You also need hairspray. This is the brand of hairspray I use. We're gonna flat iron our entire hair. Flat iron it so that it is straight as hell. My hair is very thick, so we want to make it look thin, flat, classic 2008 scene hair. And then we're going to start teasing our hair. You're going to back comb a lot of the hair in the back. Just tease it up. Keep coating it in hairspray as you go. And then you're going to brush out the top layers and just kind of scrunch it about until it looks right. It's literally it. You're done. Woo!